Today, I'm reviewing the Professional Smoke L EVAP smoke machine. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. I'm walking through the key features, what worked, what didn't, and where it fits in a home garage or small shop. For technical reasons, I can't add footage of the unit on the bench, so we'll go screen by screen and I'll talk through real use cases and results. Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases. This is a compact EVAP and vacuum leak tester with a built-in air compressor, so you don't need shop air. Power is 12 volt with battery clamps, which is convenient in the driveway. Warm-up is quick. Once the heating element reaches temp, it starts producing a steady smoke stream. The unit routes smoke through a clear hose, a flow meter, and a pressure gauge, so you can see both restriction and system pressure at a glance. The sweet spot for EVAP testing is low pressure, roughly under 1 psi, to avoid damaging valves or seals. The gauge lets you set and hold a gentle pressure. The flow meter is useful. With the vent valve closed, a high ball reading suggests a large leak, and a low reading suggests either a small leak or a sealed system. Watching the gauge and flow together tells you if the smoke is pushing into a leak path or just filling volume. The kit includes a universal cone for intake and throttle body work, plus hoses and clamps. The cone works on most intakes, and it also helps for boost leak checks on turbo cars if you keep pressure low. For EVAP systems, the best practice is to use the service port adapter. If your vehicle has a Schrader-type EVAP port, connect there and isolate the canister vent as needed. Smoke at the filler neck can work, but it's less precise and can be messy. On media, standard mineral oil or baby oil is acceptable. Use a small amount. Overfilling causes spitting and residue. Let the unit heat fully before expecting dense output. If smoke looks thin at first, give it another minute. Density ramps up and makes small leaks easier to spot at hose junctions, purge lines, and around manifold gaskets. A UV additive can help under bright light, but in many cases a simple LED flashlight is enough if you test in shade. Build quality is decent for the price class. The metal shell feels sturdy, the carry handle is practical, and the front panel labeling is clear. The built-in compressor is the main advantage. Not needing an external air source speeds setup and keeps the footprint small. Noise is present but manageable, similar to a small tire inflator. Duty cycle is fine for typical jobs. Long continuous sessions will warm the housing, so give it cool-down time between vehicles. In use, I had no trouble pressurizing intake tracts to find split PCV hoses and loose clamps. On EVAP, the tool helped pinpoint a hairline crack near the purge line and a bad O-ring at the fuel pump flange on another car. The flow drop when the leak was clamped confirmed the fix before clearing codes. For boosted systems, keep expectations in check. This is not a high-pressure tester. It's designed for leak visualization, not pressure testing intercoolers at several psi. There are cons. The plastic barbed fittings can cross-thread if you rush. Start them gently. The universal cone is versatile, but not perfect on odd-shaped inlets. Having a set of caps or dedicated adapters will save time. Warm-up is fast, but the first minute of output can be inconsistent if the oil cup was just refilled. Like all smoke machines, it can leave a faint oil film near the leak. Wipe surfaces after testing and avoid sensors and MAF elements. Maintenance is simple. Empty excess oil if you overfilled, keep the reservoir clean, and replace O-rings on the caps when they harden. Store the hoses straight. Sharp bends near the barbs can cause seepage that looks like a false leak. Check the inline filter if yours has one. A clogged filter reduces smoke density and makes readings vague. Power leads should be kept away from the hot canister. Secure them so they don't touch the heater area. Who is this for? DIYers who want a self-contained unit, mobile mechanics who work without shop air, and small garages that need a second station. If you already own a strong compressor and want maximum output, a Pro machine driven by shop air will be faster and denser. If you value portability and quick setup, the built-in compressor here is the win. It's also a good teaching tool. The gauge and flow meter make leak behavior visible and easy to explain. Overall, the professional Smoke L does the core job: produce controllable smoke, hold safe EVAP pressures, and help you see what's leaking instead of guessing. It won't replace pressure decay testing for boost systems or solve adapter limitations on unusual intakes, but for everyday vacuum and EVAP diagnostics, it earns its keep. If you work carefully, keep pressure low, and give the heater a minute to stabilize, it delivers reliable results. If this helped, subscribe to the channel and drop a like so I can make more no-nonsense tool reviews.